Hello everyone, welcome to SSA. There is a quote from George Eliot where he says that it's never too late to be what you might have been. On this note, we can start with a new, or as we say, a fast track batch for upcoming MBA CET 2025. Yes, absolutely. If you are still planning to give MBA CET 2025, we are giving you a fast track batch. What the batch is, everything in detail, please stick till the end. Okay, now almost we have covered 50% of the syllabus and the remaining lecture will be live. Absolutely, we are not promising you that we'll be starting all over again. No, we have already covered this percent of the syllabus, so you can watch these lectures in the recorded form. The reason is that we have approximate 2.5 months. So now if you are starting all over again, no, doesn't make any sense for me. So what you can do is we can have a proper schedule when you take the admission, and I'll give you the parameters which topics to study as fast as you can, and the remaining topics can be done live. That's it. In this batch we'll be providing you this test series wala parameter. In this particular batch where the test series are there, you can solve the topic sectional full length test as well, which is included in your pack, so that you can practice as many questions as you want. Okay, now when we move ahead, what have we covered? Basic to advanced, your weekly assignments, topic tests for each and every subject, test series as I told you before, individual assessment will be required after your CET for a GD and PA and everything, and after 4-5 months as we just discussed, and group discussion and personal counseling at cap round wala counseling wala tab. Okay, so these things will be covered. Lectures format, yes, we'll be having lecture format on digital board, as you can see, at the same time a digital tab as well, just to make sure that these things are clear beforehand. Okay, now timetable, or we can say the lectures, every day 3 lectures will be there, 7 to 8 quant, 8:15 to 9:30 in English, and अपना जो LR का रहेगा वो आफ्टरनून में 3 से 4:30 के बीच में रहेगा. Fees was 14,500, but many students were there after my first master class that sir आपने already वो cover कर लिया है, तो can we get some discount? And it's okay because we have covered almost 50% of the syllabus, तो उसमें हम कुछ कम कर सकते. तो 11,500 will be the fees. In case you have taken admission after 31st of December, so if you have paid 14,500, 3,000 will be refunded back to you. Before 31st वाला जो पैरामीटर है, 31st के बाद जिन्होंने आफ्टर 31st दिसंबर जिन्होंने लिया है एडमिशन, ठीक है, उनको रिफंड हो जाएगा. नाउ टेस्ट सीरीज इज इंक्लूडेड, तो आपको और कोई टेस्ट सीरीज लेने की जरूरत नहीं, बट टेस्ट सीरीज इसलिए भी है कि हम फरवरी से कुछ ऐसे पैरामीटर शुरू करेंगे क्रैश को टाइप, जहां पे आपसे ये सारे मॉक टेस्ट के मैक्सिमम क्वेश्चंस हम सॉल्व करके लेंगे. ओके, सो इफ यू वांट टू जॉइन, all you have to do is, हाँ इसमें एक पैरामीटर है, though you don't want to join our batch but you want to have our test series, so for MBA CET and CMAT 2995, and for only MBA CET test series if you want to purchase 2000 is the price. अगर आपको सिर्फ और सिर्फ टेस्ट सीरीज चाहिए और you want to just practice on your own. Okay, coming back to our point, if you want to take the admission, all you have to do is download our app, which is available on Play Store, SSA. Link is given in the description as well. So when you download, all you have to do is fill the details, mobile number, email ID, and for payment you have to message on this particular number. In case you have any doubt, anything regarding any parameter, we have our Anil sir. You can call on this number, WhatsApp. In case if any problem is there, you can also call Ajinkya sir as well, just to make sure that कभी अगर कॉलिंग में अगर आपका नहीं लगा ये नंबर, तो आप इन तीनों में से कोई भी नंबर पे कर सकते हो कॉल, ये बट व्हाट्सएप के लिए सिर्फ यही नंबर, तो कॉलिंग के लिए आप ये 2 नंबर पे कर सकते हो. ठीक है, सो माय पॉइंट रिमेन्स द सेम. इफ यू स्टिल थिंक कि यू कैन इन्वेस्ट 6 to 8 hours entirely of the day and you want to target MBA CET 2025, then you can join the batch. बट अगर आपका कॉलेज है और आप टाइम नहीं दे पा रहे हो और फिर भी आपको लगता है कि आप MBA CET कर रहे हो, तो मेरा एक जेन्यून सजेशन बोलो या एडवाइस, तो फिर थोड़ा सोच समझ के करो. क्योंकि क्या है ना, 80-90 परसेंटाइल वो दिखने के लिए, या 90, वो उस हिसाब से कॉलेज और बाकी चीजें, आई नो पीपल विल से कि सर उतना परसेंटाइल भी अच्छा कॉलेज मिलने, बट यार मुझे पता नहीं ऐसा क्यों लगता है कि थोड़ा अगर आप पहले से प्रिपेयर करो बिफोर हैंड, तो थिंग्स कैन वर्क आउट प्रीटी वेल. Okay, so on this note, we'll stop here. And if you have any doubt, comment box में आप लिख सकते हो. And I'll see you in the next video. Okay, चलो, take care.